If you are learning a language, you want to learn languages like English, Spanish, German, Italian, whatever, Chinese, and etc. If you want to learn languages, then this video is for you. I am presenting a new application where I already been practicing. I think I practiced my Spanish when I was there, and it has some different kind of activities, exercises, so you can just participate, and after participating, of course, you're going to enjoy learning, the process of learning. So I think this can be best application, but I think everything has a two kind of thing nowadays, free and paid, but we have all free benefit to learn as well, like a Duolingo, but this is a bit different than Duolingo is the really best, but it has a really interesting things that you are going to watch movie clips, and you're going to do exercise in different spelling, new words, with pictures, with videos, with Hollywood movies clips. So all these things, they are completely different. I mean, we can't compare two things together, but it is really interesting and really loved. That's why I'm going to share with you. So it's up to you how much you gonna love it. We are going to go for see a screen that I just recorded. You must have to watch it. I hope you will enjoy it if you're learning a language. So you will have a possibility to choose between your native language to the learning language, so you can compare them and you easily learn languages in that way. All right, best of luck. Let's start it. Memrise. This is one of the best app where you are going to learn a lot of languages, any language you want to learn. If you have already an account, you can do. Otherwise, you don't have, you simply get started. I suppose I would have. I'm going to sign in quickly. I just clicked on sign in and selected my email, and I think my account is already opened. You can see that. I think I already had it. Okay, this is my account. I have a lot of like words here and a lot of friends. So we are going to back. I'm going to tell you how you can learn. So there are difficult words, and this is dictionary course where you're going to learn a different course about Spanish, because of I have been learning Spanish here, and these are a lot of words you can see. Hablas English, this means do you speak English? You can also listen their audio.
¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés?
Right, so it's very interesting. You can listen.
¿Hablas inglés?
You can listen and you can read, and there are these old words I already learned here. So solo un poco, just a little bit, you can see.
Solo un poco.
All right, so in that way you can also select your own learning language. You can simply click here. I mean, simply click this one, and you can choose here another language, another course. If you selected your, I mean, I want to learn, if you want to learn English, I mean, here English is UK, like I selected American English. So you can see there are 400 of TOEFL intermediate English, and you can learn 400 first, and you can start learning from here. You can simply click here. So even though you are going to enjoy this application, because this is very simple. Cultivation, this is a new word. If you want to put it, simply click on plus, so it will be added to your dictionary. Let's start. This is second word, irrigation. Irrigation means a name of the supply water of irrigation. So there are different, there is like you have to select which one is correct. The process of preparing the land of growing crops is cultivation is the correct. Means supplying water of, it's just like irrigation. All right, so in that way you can learn different words, and you can just give test. Okay, let's back to it. Let's quick it. And this is a premium that if you want to buy, you can do that. Otherwise you can skip this anytime. Okay, so furthermore, here is learn. In the learn tab you can see phrases, and there are all courses like food and mathematics, energy, spirituality, science, all everything is available here. Art, entertainment. So you can, as much as you slowly learn, you can do that. Also there is download button. You can download it from your subscription. Otherwise you can use free of cost. You will be able to learn a lot of things in this application. This is very simple. You have nothing to review here, I think, but I think it's been a long time. I just sign back. So there are 3 courses are going on. You can see here. If you want to select more, you can so any language you want to learn. You can see these are all languages that are available approximately. I hope you wanted to learn one of them. So I hope you are going to do that and you're going to understand. This is my own profile. I think it's like 34 word I learned. So experience point I have 20,000 something like that, 27,000 something like this. Here if I want to add many people from search or from Facebook, I could also search and add more in a search setting. You can see you can connect your Facebook if you want. If you want to edit your profile, you can simply click here to set your password, and you can change your DP. If you want to click this profile button, you can change it easily. And as well, here are some other reminder. If you want to set reminder, you have to set your date and time, what time you want to be reminded. And furthermore, here multimedia settings you can turn on, turn off, and use online, only use Wi-Fi for download. You can do that also. And that's all. In the end, you can just log out. This is the all last setting. If you don't like, you can simply click on the logout button. That's we are going to simply click that. And you want to log out, you have to simply yes. And now if you want to get started as a newly, you can select which language you want to learn. Here you have to simply select that I want to learn. Okay, for example, you want to learn English, so you can select any of them here, English. If you have selected that I speak English, so you can't select it. If you speak any other language, suppose you speak Hindi, then you want to learn English, so simply click this one. You can see that. I hope you understand all of them. Thank you so much.